first movie.
About time they make me into a movie star.
A motion picture for anyone who ever wore diapers.
The following previews have been rated R and has been approved for all audiences.
What policeman are you? I'm a forensic psychologist. That's the way of saying I'm a guy who determines how it applies. For forensic psychologist Alex Cross, solving crimes was always logical and always professional. Until somebody made it personal. Get a call from the door today. My oldest missing. One of the doctor was my niece. I got to know. The boy shows 8 women missing. How close are connected on it? They all share the same profile. Young, late teens, early 20s. Pretty. They're all extraordinary. Only 2 bodies have been found. Kill left a note first for the second murder scene. Signed it has a note. That's over. Okay, Robert. Yes, sir. Is the woman who got away. I'd like to say something to you. Pass it over. I wrote the rules. None of the other women helped. So if you're looking for someone to blame me. What do you see listed? There were doors. There were walls. There were stairs. That's a pro. A real student of the game. And he likes to play. Look at one shot. When it goes down, I need this guy intact.
Ashley Judd.
I hear this woman's voice. You want to save your niece? Take me with you. Smells suspicious. That's what Dee swear. I think our guy's a little different. I bet these women are lying. Killing's not his ulterior motive. This guy's a collector.
Kiss the Girls.
Now available on video cassette.
And who are you? Are you a lawyer?
Well, I just passed the bar.
Well, you got a hell of a lot of nerve walking in my courtroom without a license. Now get the hell out of here, get the license, and then you come back. In law school, Rudy, they don't teach you what you need to know. It's all theories and lofty notions and big fat ethics books. What's wrong with ethics? Nothing, I guess. In the world of lawyers.
Good afternoon, Mr. Van Randall. Do you have a lawyer?
No. Good.
Very sorry, Mr. Randall. Very sorry.
Gonna get you a bunch of money. In the city of Memphis.
That was playing the ambulance chase.
Right.
Well, I quit. You can starve.
An incredible story is about to unfold.
Really did you feel?
The son is dying, and the crooks won't pay for his treatment.
Very sorry to hear. Under these circumstances. We wouldn't be here if your clients had done what they should have done.
On 7 prior occasions, this company has denied your claim in writing. You must be stupid, stupid, stupid. The company is playing the odds.
What I want to know.
Now available on video cassette.
Where's my son?
Now available on video cassette.
As far as the money goes.
Coming this July to video stores everywhere.
The Rugrats are back, and this time they brought their mommies. New from Nickelodeon, it's Rugrats Mommy Mania, featuring the special Mother's Day. Tommy, Angelica, Phil, and Lil try to find a mommy for Chucky.
I suppose I could be his mom.
But is Angelica ready to be a mom?
Oh, Jonathan, you should see it.
plus 3 Rugrats adventures where Dee Dee, Charlotte, and Betty join the mania. Mommy Mania. Available on video cassette from Nickelodeon. Hey, everyone.
Did you guys hear that?
Hold on to your diapers.
Works for me.
Because Tommy, Chucky, Angelica, and the twins are back with thrills, chills, and lots of spills. With more bounce to the ounce and more gaggles of giggles. Be sure to check out these 3 Rugrats videos. First, hop up, open wide,
And say ah.
for Dr. Tommy Pickles. 2 never-before-seen stories, plus 3 more Rugrats favorites.
Wow, you look a lot better today.
Dr. Tommy Pickles. When it comes to friendship and adventure, you can always count on Tommy and Chucky, a dynamic diaper duo.
The coast is clear.
Featuring 5 classic Rugrats stories.
This will be so much fun.
Diaper duo. And pile in, push off, and hit the road on a non-stop Rugrats vacation, featuring a full-length special. Plus 2 more adventures with your best baby pals.
Everybody hello.
A Rugrats vacation.
Exactly.
But how do you choose?
Now what are we gonna do, Tommy?
Not to worry, because you can have all 3. Available from Paramount Home Video and Nickelodeon.
We are looking for Blue's Clues. We are looking for Blue's Clues. We are looking for Blue's Clues. 'Cause that's a red one game.
Blue's Clues, Nick Jr.'s play-along show that will change the way preschoolers watch videos. Look for Blue and Steve